We have here is 120 LED wall solar lights. They have three modes. A high mode, which will come on full brightness for 20 seconds and go off. And then it'll be on dim to full brightness for 20 seconds to go off, and then stay on at a low level for all night. Those are the three modes. They're very simple to hook up. In this install, we're going to hang the solar panel right on top and close up the leads real nice and tight and show you what they look like at night. So let me show you how we're going to install this to the wall. Take a measurement where you want this to be, drill with the anchor, place in, take the piece, match up hole for hole, put another hole right about there, last anchor in. With your 9-point Phillips and the bracket, you're going to place in one, look for the hole, lock it into place, and do the same for the other. If you match the holes up correctly, you should be good to go. If not, correct your mistake. Now you have another option to put on the other one a lot higher, and you have the option to simply take everything off. Be careful about the nut, it could fall out. So what you're going to do is take everything off. You're going to place this on top, like so. You're going to put your finger over the nut, and you're going to lock this down into place. It's going to take you a little time to do so. And once you get it locked in there, then you're going to take your cord. But you want to make sure this cord is facing the opposite way and not facing outward. It all depends on the way you have your setup. I like mine to look like this. And there's my nut facing up. My finger's over it, and I corrected my mistake just like that. Wrap your cord the best you can. Connecting mine so I can make it IP65 rated. Nice and tight so nothing slips out. And then wrap it so it doesn't fall off. Everything nice and secured, nice and tight. Now I need to go hang it. I want to make sure my light goes on. 1, 2, 3. I want mine on dusk to dawn. I'm going to come up here, climb the ladder. I'm going to take off the existing mounting piece that I had laid on and slide this right over like so. Snap it into place. Everything looks good. And I got the right angles the way I like it. The sun's hitting it. 2 full days we're going to be charging. I will come back and see what it looks like at that night time. We have the spotlight on. That's the very first one. It stays bright. That is the third one. It stays dim. So this way you get an idea of what they both look like at nighttime. As it dims down and shuts off, it will come on when you walk. Motion, it'll pick up. So that way, you know, that'll run your battery down. You don't want to run it down and have it always going on, so you leave it on the other settings that will conserve power. I hope you enjoy those 100 LED solar battery wall lights. I hope they're right for you.